Welcome back, Barca fans. Today, we're taking you inside Spotify Camp Nou for some of the most exciting construction updates yet. From massive progress on the south goal, compression ring, VIP areas, and diamond structures to a major timeline update that could reshape Barcelona's return to their iconic home, there's plenty to cover. Let's dive in and see how one of football's greatest stadium projects is moving closer to its spectacular final chapter. Here at the south goal, the transformation is becoming more impressive with every passing day. The ceramic slats are now covering the front of the mobility cores, finally giving this section the iconic blue and garnet identity fans have been waiting to see. Although work is still ahead on the upper tiers and the future LED lighting system, the stadium is already beginning to reveal just how spectacular its final appearance will be. With the Joan Gamper Trophy getting closer, the installation continues at an excellent pace, and if this momentum continues, the remaining sections could soon be completed, leaving only a few final adjustments before another major milestone is achieved. Along the stadium's lateral side, the diamond structures are becoming more impressive with every stage of construction. Each structure is taking clearer shape, including the dedicated diamond for visiting supporters. The largest diamond is also making excellent progress, with workers now installing the first reinforcement bars ahead of the next concrete pour. Nearby, previously completed concrete sections are already in place, although the surrounding ground level will still need to be raised significantly before this area reaches its final height. The biggest progress today comes from the south goal, where another massive XXL compression ring box has now been installed. With several major sections already in place, the compression ring is advancing at an impressive pace around the stadium. Workers have also prepared additional support frames and lifted another sleeper beam into position, keeping construction moving at full speed. The progress is now clearly visible from both the north and south goal, making August a key month as the iconic compression ring moves steadily toward completion. The latest progress inside the Tribune is becoming increasingly noticeable. Installation of the permanent flooring has now begun around the VIP staircase area, marking another important step toward the stadium's final finish. Heavy machinery remains active across the site, while behind the second mobility core, workers have also started installing sandwich panels, further advancing the enclosure of this section. With the permanent floor now being laid, another key area of Spotify Camp Nou is steadily taking its final shape. Work continues steadily across the third tier, where crews remain focused on completing the remaining structural and finishing tasks. Activity is visible around the future floodlight platforms, while additional support elements and access areas continue to take shape. The prefabricated seating structure is already in place, and workers are now concentrating on preparing the surrounding sections for the next phase of construction. Although no major visual changes have appeared since the last update, progress is continuing across multiple work fronts to ensure the third tier is ready for the upcoming installation phases and final fit-out. Work continues on the first VIP ring as crews are now applying cement render to the interior block walls. The difference between the finished and unfinished surfaces is already clearly visible, giving the area a much cleaner and more refined appearance. While this is not expected to be the final decorative finish, it marks another important step toward completing the hospitality spaces. Meanwhile, the exterior glazing and terrace access areas remain in place while the second VIP ring is now almost completely enclosed, awaiting the installation of its decorative ceramic facade. The north goal continues to make steady progress as work advances across several key areas. Newly laid geotextile fabric has now been covered with expanded clay, confirming preparations to raise the final ground level. Activity also continues around the diamond structure, while cranes remain busy transporting materials for the VIP ring and curtain wall installation. Meanwhile, scaffolding is gradually being removed from the third tier, with 3 of the 4 main tie beams already in place. Another interesting detail is the arrival of several Philips-branded boxes, which could potentially contain components for the stadium's second LED ring, although this has not yet been officially confirmed. A major step forward can now be seen at the south goal, where sandwich panel installation has expanded to the exterior of the mobility core. Workers have completed most of the lower panels and have now begun installing the upper section, bringing the enclosure another step closer to completion. While the adjacent mobility core already has its sandwich panels in place, finishing work continues as the steel beams are being prepared and painted before receiving their final gray coating and preparing the area for the next phase of construction. Another important update comes from the corner section, where crews are carrying out final adjustments to the newly installed decorative slats, carefully securing each panel to ensure a perfect fit. Nearby, the mobility cores are now fully painted and ready for the next phase, with sandwich panel installation expected to begin soon. Progress is also visible on the steel support structure, where another support has now been installed, leaving only one remaining before workers can continue with the diagonal and vertical connecting beams. Meanwhile, the lower overhang is steadily taking shape as more steel tubes have been installed, preparing this entire corner area for the next stage of construction, including the future safety net system. And finally, the news that every Barcelona fan needs to hear clearly and completely, because it represents one of the most significant and most consequential decisions that the club has made regarding the Camp Nou renovation timeline. FC Barcelona has formally asked La Liga for permission to play the entire first half of the 2027-2028 season away from the Spotify Camp Nou. The club has requested that it be allowed to use the Estadi Olympic Luis companies for those matches, a return to the temporary home that Barca fans are already familiar with from the renovation period that preceded the partial reopening of the camp. Now, the reason for this request is the roof installation. The massive and extraordinarily complex operation of installing the new Camp Nou roof is scheduled to take place between June and October 2027. A 4-month window during which the stadium will need to be vacated entirely to allow the roof installation teams the space, the access, and the uninterrupted working conditions that an engineering project of this scale and this complexity absolutely demands. You cannot install a roof of this magnitude over an occupied stadium. The whole ground needs to be clear. Now, here is the really important detail that distinguishes this decision from a simple operational necessity. It is also a deliberate act of caution from the club. The roof installation is estimated to take approximately 4 months, June to October. That window, if everything goes exactly to plan, could allow the stadium to reopen for the second half of the 2027-2028 season. But Barcelona is not willing to risk that second half reopening being disrupted by delays that push the roof completion beyond October. The roof is worth waiting for. The completed camp now is worth the first half of one season at the Olympic. And when the doors of the fully finished, fully roofed, fully magnificent new Camp Nou open for the second half of the 2027-2028 season, every moment of that temporary sacrifice is going to be vindicated completely and permanently. The journey of Spotify Camp Nou is about much more than a stadium. It's the beginning of a new era for FC Barcelona. With every milestone, the club moves one step closer to creating a home that will inspire generations of fans around the world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next update from the future home of Barca.